turn over then?
Speed.
Student Money Advice team were really supportive with me. I struggled a lot with paperwork and forms from like my dyslexia and ADHD.
Working with them was amazing. To be honest, they were very understanding.
At that point, I was asylum seeker, and when I got the bursary and a scholarship, I had a chance to change my life. That was the first step of actually reaching my dream and building my future.
I was homeless for 6 months, starting my course, and it meant that I was able to access funds that allowed me to get housing. I can't thank them enough, to be honest.
The team were really supportive, and I was always able to access support when I needed it, which was really helpful.
I would say get a hold of the USW team. Definitely contact them with regards to any help that may be available. You'd be surprised what's out there.